welcome to the Shelley Studio, and it's art snacks time. Ooh, what have we got here? Okay, it's all open in there, different. Okay, we've got our snack, and our sticker, and oh, that got a little bent. This is a L'Aquarelle Canson Heritage watercolor paper. Try out your new art supplies on these 3 bonus sheets of cold press Canson Heritage watercolor. 300 GSM, so that's cool. Okay, 100% cotton paper. Cool. Okay. Oh, I think I saw 2 of those. So I've got Aquafine watercolors. Let's see, De La Rowney Aquafine half pan twin set, $6.99 retail each. Wow. So $6.99 for one of these. Wow. So this one is Indian yellow hue and cadmium orange hue, but ultramarine pink and ultramarine violet. Interesting color combination. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, that's wedged in there pretty good. Oh, let's see. That must be Kirtaki Nihon Date Kabura Food Brush Pen number 55. Oh, excellent. Looks like it's been opened. Okay. Of course, I think it's all in Chinese or Japanese. I don't know which one. No English except that. Okay. So this is the pen. It's cool looking. So there. Oh, I don't want to do that yet. We'll use this. Okay. So we've got this point. That's nice. I'm not prepared. Does it smear with water? It smears with saliva. Sorry. Oh my goodness, I'm bad. Okay. And this is the brush. Let's see. Nice. See if we can get the all fancy. Okay, not very good handwriting, but you get the idea. You can do thin and thick and thin. Nice. Okay. I have to open up. I'm gonna have to find a home for those. Do I have an Altoids tin somewhere? That might make me a little thing. Okay. Alright, one last thing in here. Or 2. Feels like 2. Okay. Oh goodness, I'm having trouble today. I hope everything's in focus, because, man. Okay. Well, that just looks like a regular pencil, doesn't it? I think. Okay, I was going to grab one, but I can't see it. I'm sure it's special. Let's see. Oh, it says art snacks on it. It's a Dixon Ticonderoga. Okay, let's read up on it. 69 cents. Number 2 pencil. World's best pencil just got better, introducing the art snacks twist on the classic Ticonderoga number 2 pencil. Known for its distinctive green and yellow ferrule, this pencil features an exclusive graphite core formula that delivers an extra smooth performance. Latex-free eraser provides easy cleaning corrections. Oh, okay. So, well, we just made a mistake. I thought that was funny. That feels nice. Smudges? Okay, let's see if we can fix our mistake. Yeah, wrist is pretty clean. No little marks. Of course, a brand new eraser, you know. Okay. So, the next one, wow, that is small. Okay, it's got the hard part. You know, I normally just throw these away because you shouldn't put them back on your paintbrushes because you can damage the bristles. But I saw somebody using those as stamps, like mark making. I'm gonna have to save that. New thing, mark making tool, okay. Oh, that just went off the edge. Okay. All right, we are going to test out. And I know, not on the watercolor. We'll come up with a project for that. I'll remember which is which, right? Probably not. I better put the numbers on. Do I have a permanent marker up here? I don't know. Which ones are permanent and which ones aren't? Okay, I'll be good. I'll do it right after this. That one's pink, this one's violet. Pink is lighter. Got it. Got it. I got it. Okay. Pink. Nice. Now this is not exactly how you're supposed to use your spray bottle, but okay. It feels good. Like I don't know, the color feels good. Let's see if we can get heavier pigment on this one. Work it up. Okay, let's see what we got here. Purple. Yeah, see? And replace the water in my spray bottle. Oh, I didn't do that fast enough. Huh. It was not watercolor paper, but not blending very well. I'll do a proper swatch here at some point. Okay. And here we have Indian yellow hue and cadmium orange hue. I think because it says hue, that means it's not the real cadmium, right? I don't know. So this is the Indian yellow hue. Nice. Okay. So much fun that they give me paintbrushes. Not that I need them. Well, I do need them. I'm very hard on my paintbrushes. I need a paintbrush lesson. I need to be schooled in my paintbrush etiquette. Okay. Nice. So those are going to be some interesting colors to try and incorporate into one piece. I will clean this up. Maybe we'll make a little ATC on one of these watercolors papers and use the supplies. I'll be back.